This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Pritchett. Enjoy the picture-perfect views year-round from the covered decks, large windows, or viewing room upstairs. This cabin is fully furnished with beautiful decor. There is a separate outbuilding will be ideal for a workshop or storage. For the outdoor enthusiast, there is the Benton McKay hiking trail which runs through the development. Convenient to both Ellijay and Blue Ridge. $65 app fee per adult. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Pritchett at 706-889-7298.